The Weber Smokey Mountain is not a fuel hog. Well, it can be, but it doesn't have to be. Something I've been doing for a long time is dividing the charcoal ring, either using fire bricks or the Weber baskets. Dividing out the charcoal ring this way uses a lot less charcoal than you would normally. I'll be adding a small chimney of fully lit charcoal. My target temperature for this cook is going to be between 300 and 350 degrees. Let's add in the midsection and the lid. The top vent I'm going to start off by leaving it half open, and the bottom 3 vents I'm going to open all the way. I'm cooking a whole chicken today that I patted dry. I'm going to be using some avocado oil to coat the chicken. And then I'm going to season it with an all-purpose rub. If you don't have a favorite all-purpose rub, you could use garlic, salt, and pepper. Make sure you coat all sides. Now normally on the Weber Smokey Mountain, I spatchcock the chicken or I hang it. But today I'm using a cast iron pan to collect all the juices, which I'll be using later to create a sauce. Let's add a bottom layer of carrots and onion for the chicken to lie on. Let's also stuff the cavity with some onion, some garlic, and some lemon. Since I love lemon, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit on top. Make sure to touch up any areas of the chicken that weren't seasoned properly. The Weber Smokey Mountain thermometer is currently reading about 315 degrees. I know by experience that the temperature that the Weber Smokey Mountain is reading is about 30 degrees cooler than the temperature on the grate. If you want to know the exact temperature at the grate level, use a thermometer with a probe and you can clip it on the grate. Like one of these. It's been about 90 minutes, so now it's time to check out the chicken. At this point in the cook, I'm going to go ahead and start monitoring the temperature. Remember, chicken is safe to eat at 165 degrees. This step is completely optional, but I like to spray the chicken with a little duck fat. Time to cover up and continue cooking. The breast meat right now is temping at 145 degrees. About 2 hours total cooking time, the chicken breast is about to reach 165 degrees. I also put a probe at the grate level, and this is reading at 341 degrees. The chicken came out perfect. At this point, what you do with the chicken is completely up to you. Personally, I like to pull the chicken for some meal prep. I'll make salads, I'll make sandwiches, but it's completely up to you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.